Item? Maybe it was. Let me check the Twitter. Maybe he decided something different. Here, let me search it up. Will be turned into a unique item. We still don't know. I thought it was just money, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Thought you guys were getting money bags. Nah, y'all still getting money bags. I don't care. If it's a unique item and not unique items, I don't know, bruh. We'll see. Yeah, if you said unique items, then that means each one's gonna be different. Yo, is bro good? Oh, he's holding G while fishing. Is Warlord build good? It's decent. In my opinion, he's above. It'll be an awesome update. Let's see what they have in Trello. I think the update I'm most looking forward after early access is the building update. That's the one I'm most looking forward to. Alluring bronze rod. That's cool. But yeah, I'm looking forward for the building update. Is Night build good? Yes, it's pretty good. Night build, if you don't know, it's literally just it's like warrior, but you have less damage and you're more tanky. So it's kind of like warrior, but not really. It's like a tanky warrior. Yeah, sunken items are the same in AO. Yep. First updates after release, early access, gonna be Alchemy and Darkseid. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, Alchemy and Darkseid, I think, are the first things after early access release, which is cool. Because for Alchemy, he already has the ingredients made, like they already exist. He just needs to make the potions. Let me reset codes for stats or something. No, not reset codes. No. So how sunken items gonna work? Are they going to scale a stronger type or weaker stats? Sunken items just skill towards endgame. They will forever be viable. Second Awakenings are not going to be on release. For Second Awakenings to be released, it needs to, like, the story needs to progress further. How much story is going to be in release? I don't know how I can answer that question without leaking. Can you get second items in AO? Yes, you can get second items in AO. From an outsider perspective, the First Awakening looks a bit busted, as in how much the power you up in my opinion. Maybe? I don't know. It's pretty strong, yeah. Just use a macro and don't get caught. That is insane. Do not do that. Don't use a macro. It's not. Yeah, it's still an AO. Yep, Snow's still in the game. Snow's really good, actually. Very, really good. What part of the set have you gone so far? Good question. None, technically. I have helmets and chest pieces. I mainly want the helmet, bro. I'm gonna have to do something about this helmet when it drops. How many fish have you caught? I have 15k fish caught. It's nice and snow really. Yeah, it's really good. Wait, is this AO or am I tripping? It's not AO. I think you're tripping. Yeah, you definitely are tripping. You are tripping. I'm grinding items currently. Shadow, yeah, Shadow's pretty good, yeah. Shadow and Light, they're good on their own. And they're also good with movements because their stats are pretty high. They're normal. Yeah, everything should be viable. You just do whatever you want, bro. And if it's not viable, then shit, something's wrong. We have to look back and balance. Best magic? Best magic is kind of hard to say because there can be any type of best magic, but there's not like a definitive best. There's best at certain things. Saw this conjurer build work with sunken, like does it insta freeze people when you, yeah. It'll provides the synergy effect off rip. What do you think would say that you love to use in this high damage? I don't know. It just depends on the build you make, right? I have a light magic build that does just as much damage as like a person that runs like fire, for example, plasma or earth sometimes. It just depends on what your stats are. If you make your build in a certain way, it can be good. How many game passes will AO have? Good question. I don't remember. What happens when two people have the same name, AO? They just have the same name, I guess. Attorney Ironport. Bursting's actually unironically very good in AO. I wouldn't even trip. How high for Lost Magics? I don't really care. I'm more excited for Lost Spells than Lost Magics. You play Glass Magic. Glass Magic applies bleeding. Anything that benefits from bleeding is good. So fire would be good in glass. Metal would be good in glass. Crystal would be good with glass. There's a lot you can do with glass. Let's go once then. How good are enough with full agility, full attack? Full attack speed and full agility builds are really good. Early access is going to be free. Stream ruin, no sunken. Facts. No sunken this time around. Dude, there's no way. How many streams have I done so far? Like 4? You think it's closing tomorrow? Oh, it won't be open on the 17th. He said that? Shit. I didn't know. Ooh. Damn, I got baited. Do people imbue magic into weapons need to imbue every time they select it? No. Once it's imbued, it's imbued. You don't have to re-imbue. It does it automatically for you. So you won't have to actively press the button in order to imbue. No, y'all are my show, bro. Damn, the charges in Wom look ass. How viable are Savins? Very viable. Playing Savin in AO is like playing old AA, where you just ran a fighting style, weapons, and magic. That's how it feels playing Savin. How hard is it to fish? Not hard at all. What does glass and beauty even do? It applies bleed. More bleed. Yeah, tons of it. Tons of skill. Just imagine like the properties of your magic on a weapon. That's what it does. So anything you get with that magic, you get on that weapon. That's what imbuement is. So if your magic's naturally slower, your thing will be slower as well. If your thing is naturally bigger, then it'll also make your skills and weapons bigger. Etc. Well, the fishing is not meant to be high quality. Like, you're meant to just turn your brain off, click when you see the thing appear, and then get the item. Something you can do while watching a movie. In my opinion, it's worth doing if you're trying to go for sunken gear. If not, then don't trip. Nah, no auto clicking. No macros. I don't want to say yes because you'll get caught. And if you get caught, you don't want to get banned. How long will it take to start WoW? Never touched it. Not long at all. Kind of. I don't know, man. Alright. Guys, I think I'm actually going to end stream now since I have to go soon. So, yeah. Thank you guys all for showing up. Have a nice one, guys. So, peace. I'm ending stream right now. Yeah. See ya. Love y'all.